Even if a surprise drug test is conducted immediately as suggested by the Department of Transportation, EDSA busway drivers are willing to undergo the test.
Kahit ngayon mismo, drug test niya ako.
Siyempre, kahit araw-araw pa sa akin, para makita nila yung gumagamit.
They emphasize that such tests are crucial to ensuring that all bus drivers are not under the influence of illegal drugs when they are behind the wheel.
Maganda ho yun, para wala nang nagda-drugs dito sa carousel. Para safe po yung mga pasahero, saka yung transport.
Para maiwasan ng aksidente sa daan.
Yung mga gumagamit pero may pagkamaligalig maligalig sa pasahero kahit sa kapwa nila empleyado. Madali silang uminit ng ulo, ganoon ba?
The Department of Transportation or DOTR said they will suggest to its attached agencies to conduct an intensified random drug test than the usual only during peak season. The Land Transportation Office, Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board, Special Action and Intelligence Committee for Transportation, and Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency will conduct a meeting on how they will conduct random drug tests. The suggestion came after a bus driver and its conductor was nabbed for carrying drug paraphernalia and drugs recently.
Itong mga random drug tests ay ginagawa din ng SAIC ng DOTR pagka sa panahon ng mga malakihang pagbibiyahe tulad ng Pasko, ng Undas, ng Holy Week. So ngayon ay lamang ay mag-uusap na ang mga ahensya.
The commuter also agreed to the suggestion as it will ensure their safety.
Security, of course, ang iyang mga passengers. One is too many. Kunting pagkakamali, maraming dangers of lives ang masisira po. So, very important talaga na mag-start sa driver ang pagkakaroon ng drug testing.
Kapag po yung driver inaantok or may time po na napapabilis po niya bigla yung pag-andar tapos hindi po niya napapansin na may stoplight pala doon. So kapag po halimbawa, siya po siya ng drugs, pwede niya pong i-diretso yon.
Meanwhile, the DOTR has a reminder to commuters of EDSA busway.
Lalo na pagka sumasakay ng gabi, ganyan, kung merong kakaiba, wag naman sana ay baka rin na magkaroon ng mga hinahinang mga bug na maiiwan, ganyan. So maging concerned sila at alam na lalo na sa mga enforcers ng SAIC dyan sa busway para ma-actionan agad.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.